Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing another unboxing of another model car. The one I'm doing is Audi Q7. It's a really nice fancy box. If you saw my Bentley one, that was a nice box. And the BMW X6, was a plain box with a BMW logo on it. Like the feeling on this is like the texture is really nice. And they have the Audi collection. It's really nice. See in the back. So it's black Q7, and the make of this is, I believe it's a 118, and it's not crucial. Can't remember. I think it starts with N. I know it starts with N. Nova. I will put the link in the description. But I got this one for, I can't remember, $75 I bought it off from someone who was selling it. And my BMW X6 it says it's really expensive. I got it for $95. The guy was selling for, I think, $125 or something. But bargain and got it for $95. And Bentley I got for $80, but they were selling for $110. I forgot to mention that in my previous video. This is also a 118 scale, like my other BMW and Bentley is. I will only collect 118 or bigger, but mostly 118 because I already have 118s, and I don't like anything smaller than a 118. I don't know if you saw the black circles. That means it has screws in it, which I will have to unscrew. But this is the Q7. Oops. So nice. I heard the seats fold inside. It's really nice detail. I really like the Audi logo at the front. And I don't know how I feel about the number plate. Cause I don't know if it's a sticker, but it's not a sticker, but it looks like a sticker, and I don't like that. Like, it doesn't have the template for the number plate. So you can see the screws on the bottom. I'm gonna see what kind of screws there are. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get a screwdriver and unscrew this. See the back soon. Okay, so I did put the cover back on because I had to flip the car over on its back, on the top, so I could unscrew the thing. And I used this bad guy. I don't know if you can see it. It was safe, nothing happened to it, so far as I know. Yeah, this is the safest way to do it. So I'm gonna take this off again. Yeah, sorry, I was just looking at it. A nice detail car. I really like the lights, you see. Could be a little bit more detail, but it's not bad. And the front grille with the Audi logo, nice. And then, like I said before, the number plate needs to be better. And these panels, they are plastic, or they were metal. Let's open this bad guy up. And let me mention, this one did not come with the tool to open the car. I'm gonna use the one I had for the BMW one to open. You can see it is a Q7, means if you know, it does have 7 seats in it. No space for 7 people to sit in it. And the seats in the back, the third row, I don't know if you could, it's actually folded back. It's folded down. I think you can fold them back up. I'm gonna try, but the tires. You can see the calipers, the brake rudder, the nice rims. Let's see. I like the small details, like the stainless steel rack, this, I can't remember what it's called, but that, yeah, the mirrors are really nice. I know some cars the mirrors could fold, but this one doesn't, or any of my cars. But I do have a new car coming in on today's May 8th, I believe. I do have a new one coming in on May 17th, I believe. It should come by May 17th. And it's a really special one, something I really wanted but could not afford, because it's like people have been selling them for like $1,500. Yeah, $1,500. That's a lot of money. But I found a guy who's selling the same one for a really good price, so I bought that, and it's getting, but I bought it online, so I'm waiting for it to come in. I'm gonna figure out the back seat and let you go for 1 second. So I couldn't get the seats to unfold back up, but I did find out something that I don't like personally, is the rear doors on both sides don't open. That's a disappointment. But I wish they would have done is had the doors open, the seats to be folded or unfolded, and it does have the trunk thing to cover. I know you can kind of see it. You could move. So if you want to cover this, so if you don't want anyone to see your trunk, you could cover it and no one could see what's inside your trunk. But I'll go more in detail. But I also don't like the alignment of the doors. You can't really see it in cameras, but they're a little bit off. Wish they were better. And I like when companies do this, but when you close the door, you actually hear it actually closes, how an actual car door closes. Like you hear I can't explain the sound it makes, but and you have to unlock, you have to pull the handle. Yeah, there's a lot of model cars that do that. But those are extremely expensive. The one I saw is a Ferrari. I can't remember which one it was, but it was going for like $4,000. But yeah, maybe one day I'll buy that. But actually, I'm already, when I bought the Bentley, I was already spending way more money than, but I mean $80 for the Bentley wasn't that bad. But from the Bentley to the I bought this one secondly, to be honest. I bought the BMW and the Q7 on the same day, but this one was $75 and the X6 was $95, but the guy was selling for $125. And the X6, the BMW X6 was actually a really, it was kind of hard to find the one I wanted, and this is the one I wanted for the right price. And this guy was living in a whole different city that I said, let me just drive down there, and I drove down there for 2 hours, and I got it, and it was a mini road trip for me. After I had class in the morning, and after class, I picked this up from near my school, then took got gas and went off to the road trip. Go home like at 1 a.m. I did go somewhere because I know somebody that lives in that city, so I went to their house. So I'm gonna show the details and the can't speak today. The interior, yeah, you get it. You get what I'm saying.